Hey everybody, welcome to my tutorial on how to delete anything out of a photo in Photoshop. So first off, we're going to be deleting this snow border out of my photo and just showing the regular mountain in the background and being filled in automatically. So this is actually fairly easy and it's going to be pretty quick to do. So first off, we're just going to go over to our layers panel over here to the right, or wherever your layers panel is located. We're going to click and drag our photo to the duplicate layer or new layer button, and that's just going to duplicate that layer. And the new layers button is just this square over here with the plus sign in the middle. And once we have duplicated our layer, we're just going to select that new duplicated layer, and then we're going to go over here to the left and we're going to click our selection tool. I'm going to use the rectangle selection tool, and we're just going to select our object, or in this case my snow border. And once that is selected, we're going to go up here to edit, and then we're going to scroll all the way down here to content aware fill. And what this is going to do is it's automatically going to select anything inside of this selected area that does not go along or correspond with everything else in this green area. And what that is going to do is it's going to delete everything and then automatically fill in with the AI in Photoshop what it thinks is supposed to be there. So right here in our preview, we see that our snow border is currently missing, but in its place we have some filled in snow and some automatic rocks that it thinks it's going to be behind. So once we are okay or happy with how it looks here in the preview, we're just going to hit OK. And now we have a new layer that is going to be the camouflage or the autofill for this photo. So if we just hide that layer, it shows our little snow border here, but if we reapply it, now he's filled in with snow and rock and everything in the background. And now that we have done that, we can just right click and select, and we are done. And as I said, it was something quick and easy. Thanks for joining me today in this tutorial. Please like and subscribe and watch a few more of my tutorial videos just so you can brush up on your skills or maybe learn a new skill or two. And we'll see you next time.